All right, welcome to Las Vegas. We're going to show you around town. You're going to have a good time. Welcome to Thousand Trails, Las Vegas. It's a little warm here. It's beautiful. Let's see what we got.
Sometimes it's more about location, 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 and we are less than 6 miles from the Vegas Strip. Thousand Trails, Las Vegas RV Resort. We're not sure if you should call it a resort, but it's a place to lay your head. If you're checking in, you're going to use the right lane, stop at the little ranger station, and they'll bring your packet to you and show you which way to go. You might want to have your membership card ready. There's not too many Thousand Trails that ask for it, but we were asked for ours, and sometimes they check your registration and insurance as well here. At the front of the park, there's the Community Happenings board, where you can come up and check the messages and see what's going on. As you can see from the site numbers on the ground, these are pretty tiny sites, but you can get a big rig in here if you're comfortable backing it in, but don't expect to have any yard. And you may not be able to put out your awning, but you can get your slides out. Some spots are a little bit bigger than others. This guy can get out his awning and put up a pop-up. However, I think most people are here for location, location, location. You can reach Hoover Dam from here, Lake Mead, of course, Las Vegas Strip, and Fremont Experience. They have cabins here to rent as well. This one's called Blackjack. The cabins are scattered out throughout the park. The smaller cabins have numbers, and it's the getaway cabins that have the Blackjack gambler names. This is cabin 215, 216. From the Getaway Club collection, this is Jackpot. Apparently here there has been a large degree of theft, not in the greatest neighborhood, and you are warned to keep everything locked up, including your generators, Starlinks, bicycles, anything you want to keep. It's the first place I've ever felt like I have needed to lock my bike going up to the activity center. The pool and hot tub is closed. Apparently it has been closed for over a year. They have signs throughout the park letting you know. It's also posted on their website. Strange, the pool looks very functional. Nosy Mary wants to know why it doesn't work. It still looks clean and inviting. They promise that they're working with the vendors to get this fixed, but they don't have a date for when it will be reopened. They do have an alternative for you. If you go into the office, they will show you on a map where their sister resort is and give you a key to use their hot tub and pool. You must have the key back before 4 o'clock. Outside the office, beside the pool, there's a little place where you can get out of the sun, enjoy some shade, and sit down at the table. Shade is really important in this hot Nevada sun. They sell ice on the resort property. Be sure to get it on a Friday because they do not sell it on the weekend. Your activity center is attached to the Welcome Center. There is some really pretty desert landscaping in here. Inside the activity center, you'll see some books where we'll put our book in. We'll leave a sticker in there for you. It's been a while since I've left a book, since most of the areas that we have been in have been borrow books, not exchange books. Inside the activity center, you're going to find games, puzzles, books, pool table. It's a nice, comfy seating area with a TV and some snack machines. Just while we've been here, they've come into the office to find their glass door shattered. So the manager, I went in to get a pamphlet and asked the member specialist how the door got broken, but they don't know, they just found the glass. It wasn't like that the other day. And she reminded me, I might want to put my e-bike in the RV and not just lock it up. Just FYI. There's a rock garden right outside the office. You can take a rock, share a rock, or just add a rock. I used to paint rocks. I haven't done that in a very long time. There's a little gazebo across from the Welcome Center. I feel very safe here, but I kid you not. I have had 5 or 6 people tell me to be careful. It's a bad neighborhood, and to be sure to take care of my belongings. Not sure why, but there's several RVs parked out on the street outside the park. They have VIP security services here. And sometimes around midnight, you can see them driving around in a security car. They have a dog park. Nikita and I haven't spent a lot of time down here because she is so furry. She gets hot real easy. They have a little pool in here and a pet waste station. They have a couple of picnic benches, but no area to protect you from the heat. They sell propane here Monday through Friday. They do not take cash, and there is a 3-gallon minimum. Fair enough to me. Outside the pool area, they have a cornhole and horseshoe pit. You can check out your game pieces in the Welcome Center. There is RV storage here. There's a gate that locks at night. They have patrol that goes around in the evening. They have cameras set up throughout the park, or at least by the activity center. We have barbed wire surrounding our 8-block-high wall that surrounds the RV park. Why is there still thievery going on in here? The sites here are clearly marked and easy to find. You'll find signs with arrows pointing to the right direction, as well as your site number on the asphalt. You can have packages delivered right up to your spot. I think we forgot we're living in a van. Looks like we ordered a lot. We're at site 70. Of course, in a van, every site seems big, but I think this is a pretty roomy area for us. It comes with a picnic table. We have our bikes locked to the picnic table. It does get cool in the evening, so we really enjoy coming out here and sitting when the breeze is going and the night's falling. Our little evening sitting area. Once the sun goes down, it's really nice. We've been here most this week without a neighbor, but today we have a neighbor, Mr. Gray Wolf here. Every site here is full hookup, 50, 30, 20. We have our bike rack secured to our electrical box. They say to lock it all up. Not sure if it's true, but they say it's upgraded to 50 amp fee of $5 per night. And we're not hooked up to sewer right now. I just dumped our tanks because we did pull out and go down the strip. We're parked right across from restroom number 3, and I'll show you this one. Believe me, it's just like restroom number 1 and restroom number 2. Restroom number 3, if you noticed, each one of the restrooms have their dumpsters right beside them, so you can drop off your trash there. The building has a lock. You'll have to put the code in to get inside. Inside each of the restrooms, you'll find 2 washers and 2 dryers. There's a table in the corner where you can fold your clothes. These machines take quarters only. Restrooms and showers are found inside the building as well. There's one sink in here with a mirror. Each restroom has 1 shower, but you can close and lock the door for some privacy here. There's a big ledge you have to step over, so be careful if you have mobility issues. There is a big handrail to step over the ledge. There's a bath chair if you need it. There are 2 commodes. Neither one are really handicap accessible. Nikita is eagerly awaiting the nightlife. She wants to see the Vegas lights. Either that or somebody out the door has food. Favorite chauffeur?
Well,
My Las Vegas chauffeur.
just the bus driver here. She's got a smaller bus, that's all. Whoop, gotta go.
Oh, there it is. The water show at the Bellagio. I think Nikita got tired of all the bright lights in the Las Vegas.
This is nothing here for me.
No. Didn't see any male poodles. I'm good. Or is it German Shepherds that are more her favorite? German Shepherds.
All right, it's time for the Las Vegas Cellular Service Report. First up, we have Verizon at 16.2 megabits per second down and 1.96 megabits per second up. Next up is AT&T at 12.6 megabits per second down and 2.11 megabits per second up. Last place, but not least, is T-Mobile at 8.90 megabits per second down and 9.18 megabits per second up. I think I'll be using T-Mobile to upload this video. Well, don't have too much fun out there in Las Vegas. It's one crazy town. We'll talk to you next time.